Today I'm making chocolate chip s'mores cookies. First I'm going to make the crust, so I crushed up 1½ sleeves of graham crackers. Next I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter. Then I'm just going to mix that up until the graham crackers are coated in the butter. Next I lined my muffin tray with liners and I'm adding a scoop of the graham cracker mixture and I'm pressing it down. Now that I filled the tray, I'm going to put this at 350 for 7 minutes. While the crusts are baking, I'm going to make some chocolate chip cookies. In my bowl, I have butter and eggs, and then I'm going to add the chocolate chip cookie mix to that. Then I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined. Now that the graham cracker crust have come out of the oven and cooled, I'm going to add some marshmallow fluff to each. Now that I added marshmallow fluff to each, I'm going to add a scoop of chocolate chip cookie dough. So I'm going to use a cookie scoop to scoop out the dough, and then I'm going to press it down a little bit and then put it into the cup. Now I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. Here's an up-close look of what they looked like when they came out of the oven.